Supply chains are constantly evolving, and staying ahead is crucial for success. To navigate this exciting yet complex landscape, you need a supply chain solution that goes beyond traditional boundaries. Dynamics 365, the modern AI-powered ERP, unlocks supply chain possibilities with innovation and efficiency, helping you unlock growth. Leverage AI-driven demand planning capabilities for supply planning, allowing organizations to use predefined or custom forecast models to predict demand and build forecasts with confidence. With Dynamics 365, enterprise planning can run continuously throughout the day, completing in minutes. No more waiting for nightly batch jobs. AI does the heavy lifting of data analysis, so users only have to focus on the exceptions. And with Microsoft Copilot and Dynamics 365, supply chain planners can take action to address sourcing risks without leaving the flow of work. To enable peak equipment performance, manufacturers can use sensor data intelligence to use IoT data to drive proactive maintenance and improve operational efficiency. Using variables like available quantities and proximity to the customer, distributors can optimize fulfillment by leveraging rules-based orchestration, easily adaptable without code as the business evolves. With Dynamics 365's mobile app for warehouse management, users can perform inbound and outbound processes from anywhere with an intuitive and customizable interface. Out of the box, organizations can leverage advanced analytics with built-in Power BI reports, putting key insights at your fingertips. To further create efficiencies, process mining can help identify bottlenecks or deviations in standard processes to streamline operations. Modernize your supply chain with Dynamics 365.